You're a sales manager or CEO looking to fill a sales position. As you're poring over stacks of resumes, you notice a common theme. Most of your potential candidates have only been in their previous positions for 2 years. And then you remember, oh yeah, everybody's saying that people are going to have 13 jobs over their lifetime. So you start settling and you hire a job hopper. Sales managers, CEOs, stop, don't do it. Stop listening to the pundits or articles written by people that have never hired a salesperson or run a sales organization. Instead, apply your common sense and just look around. Study the people that are successful, making money, like what they do, and I'll guarantee you they aren't job hoppers. Now, there's several reasons you don't hire job hoppers. The most important, your clients. Because apply the EQ skill of empathy. Step into your customer's shoes and ask this question. Do you really want to be meeting with a brand new salesperson every 2 years? The answer is no, because strong business relationships are built on trust, and trust is built over time. Non-job hopping salespeople build that trust, put in the time, and as a result, they earn the reward of repeat business and referral business. They make themselves more money and they make your company more money. The second reason is lack of expertise. Who would have thought I could bring Buddha into a sales conversation? But Buddha has a great quote that's quite applicable to this topic. That quote, "If you wish to draw water, don't dig 6 one-foot holes. Instead, dig 1 6-foot hole." You know, job hopping reps tend to dig a lot of 1-foot holes, and they have some expertise but not deep expertise. Non-job hopping salespeople dig that 6-foot hole and they earn deep expertise, which provides better solutions, creative solutions, and faster solutions for customers. So sales managers, CEOs, just take that stack of resumes, push them to the side, and let your competitor hire the job hopper. Focus on finding the non-job hopping salesperson. They'll serve your clients better and they'll make you money. I'm Colleen Stanley, President of Sales Leadership. Thanks for joining me.